That's a 12 and 15, this open area.
You want me to go mark
We
it?
are right here. So it's almost straight north.
Doug,
There's a metal box.
I can go mark it right now
Yeah,
with this
yeah.
if you need me to, because I'm the one that saw it.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, go with
Yeah,
him.
okay.
Mark it.
Wolves, regroup.
We're gonna call in the engineers.
Sounds good. Let's go. Let's go.
Road. So get your guys together, and then you might have to go north first,
Yeah.
shoot across the road, and then hammer it right back down through all the buildings.
Copy. I think we're moving. You got it? Last man. Where at? Up there? Up. Okay. Our objective's up here.
Contact left.
Contact left. Contact left. Okay, button hook. Button hook.
Ready?
Go.
Go! Hit!
And I hear the guys going that way, so. They might loop back around. Tan! Go ahead and go past. Go ahead, just go past.
Get line of sight on the next building. Move forward. Get an angle. Make sure that we're staying across. We're trying to get the other side of the town.
Yep.
What do we see over there?
I don't see anything over there.
What's your angle look like?
Good. All right, cross the bridge.
Clear.
Oh no, not there. King.
This is clear.
Oh, this is all.
You're good.
Oh,
Pink?
yeah, pink on the left side.
Yep. He's right on the corner. Hey, we got a guy right on the corner. I'm out. Okay, he's right on the corner. He's posted. Maybe go low. Yeah, down low. What do you mean? No, we got somebody shooting in the air. We gotta take him out first. Okay, can somebody wrap around the outside wall and see him? He's on the corner of the pink building. Or toss me a frag, somebody. Fuck. Get ready. Oh shit, there's another one now on the other side. Yeah. No good. No good right now. Whoa. He's not there now. Good job.
I gotta get out of here.
Yep. Good job, dude.
Like this way.
Yeah, you're good that way,
Can
aren't
we
you?
clear that way?
Yeah, go.
Can we cross?
Yeah.
Green and white. Green and white, right here. There's green in there. I saw one run.
Steven, let's go! Alright, we have two enemies. We have two enemies. We need someone to post right here on that corner. Check that, just secure that way. Steven!
Who's up? Grab one of my tourniquets.
Yep. Are you hit?
That's a tight corner right there. Remember, British don't count. What?
What's the bathroom? This only doorway? This one, that one?
No, there is one back there.
Can we get an angle on them? That doorway? We got guys over here.
Can you move?
Wiley!
Wiley.
Cross safe? What's this building look like?
We're clear here, but I know there's
One
contact.
building across the way, very heavy.
That's nice. They got that area locked down.
Yeah, do a check. I'm gonna check, okay? Don't shoot me.
Yep.
Clear. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Green to go, green to go. Bob! We're coming for you, Steven. Don't worry about it. Hey, go over.
They don't count, remember? So just go ahead and grab him.
Hold on, hold on.
I didn't throw that out far enough.
Pick up and then I can walk.
I know, it's a damn rich place.
What are we looking on the other side of this building?
We can get out of here. On this side. That area's too tight.
We need that door. We need that door secure though.
Hey, Mills. Can you provide security for this? Face down this way.
All right. All right.
corner of each building. What we need to do, we need to wrap this building. We need to push them out of that. We can't advance into the city until we get all that cleared out, okay? So what I need...
Wait, is he medic?
Come out this way with me, okay? Okay? Good with me.
Stay there.
Yeah. We need some people to hold this building. Who wants to do it? Hold building.
Behind you, behind you. I don't know if that's Dan. Okay. All right.
Careful. There's an LMG.
In the building?
Is this building clear? No. Okay. Cleared up one. What's the layout of this building? What's the layout of this building?
Bandage that's on your arm. You're fine.
That's my one. Morris. Yeah. What's the layout down there?
There's a door right there, and then there's another door on the other end.
On this side, right past this wall, and then there's a door.
On the other end, yeah.
Wait a minute, is this building secure?
No.
What's going on? Hold it. Try to take that corner if you can. I'm waiting for you now, Wiley. I don't like being here. You don't know. Sounds like a teacher. They got the range. Are you holding the peak building?
No, somebody's gonna be coming. I need help. I see them. They're still in the building. No, I didn't get hit. He's standing high in the doorway, straight that way. If you go low, right here, be quick and you'll see him.
Our doorway?
But into another building.
Okay.
I got your rear.
Alright, hit him.
Good job. Keep posted, okay? Because we know the enemy's gonna be over there. Yeah.
Ah, fuck!
You hit?
Yeah.
That's the second one, isn't it?
Yep.
They're gonna try and push this now. Yep, there they are. They just hit the wall.
Love to tell you what's happening.
Well, here you go.